It is morning. And let's check our restaurant. It's been a while since I was here. So let's check my inventory, which is I gotta kind of relearn the mapping on my keyboards because it's been about a week. Skill system update. Okay. Experience gained is now split between 4 stats, endurance gathering, okay, and will be based on the kind of activity you are performing. Total player level and skill points have been recalculated based on your stats, okay. Stats now have a level cap of 15, and total player level has a level cap of 50. You may reset your skill points after reaching player level 30. Alright, that's pretty cool. I think I like that. But let's open. Woohoo! I got it, I got it, I got it. Yes. Nice. Gotcha. So close. Yes! We drink the coffee again. And then we'll open the restaurant. Because I need energy to make food. I feel like maybe I should have 3 of everything. 3 kitchen counters, 3 ovens, 3 grills, 3 blenders, you know, the lights. Oh no, will I be able to make it before 2? After this, I'm going straight to bed. Go away! Hurry up! Hurry up! Oh my god. I gotta run home. I gotta run home. Okay. Thank you. See ya, everybody. We'll pick this up back tomorrow. Hey, what are you doing up, huh? Yes, I made it. Oh my god. I did it. But I am so lucky that I got the coffee. The coffee actually saved my life. Let me see if I can get more coffee, because we have money now. Oh yes, hello. Who are you? Looks like I have everything I need. Now hand them over, I can get started. Oh, that's right! I forgot about the mission. Can you tell me what you're making? It's too hard to explain. Meet me back here tomorrow and we can start setting everything up. Okay. Looks like the locals aren't here yet, but that is completely fine. Gotta wait for a whole day for him to be okay. I'd say we have enough time. We could probably look around. Oh wait, no. Actually, we should go buy some more stove. Yeah, stoves, ovens, and maybe another blender. Oh wait, what's the hours again? 10. Okay. Never mind. The greenhouse must be unlocked to learn this skill. It did say that, but what if I get it and then somebody comes over to talk to me about the greenhouse? Okay, no, that's not true, because I tried clicking it and it won't make me put my skills into it. I guess we just gotta maybe wait a little bit, maybe talk to more people. Wait a second, they're not even here. What's going on? Oh, it's Saturday. Guess they don't work on the weekends, huh? Okay, that's good to know. And the dude ain't here either. Okay. Looks like nobody works on Saturdays. That's understandable. I need some more coffee. I just need more stamina. Let's see if that fish dude is also here, because I need more shrimp. I don't know how to get my own shrimp right now. And of course he's not here. I guess nobody's here, huh? Okay. I wonder where they're all at. I thought I had takoyaki. I do. Oh, Then why would he offer me this again? Yes, okay. I mean, you think that they, like, after you purchase their recipe, it goes away. It doesn't show up anymore. April's house closed traveling. She's traveling. So maybe when she comes back, she can, like, look at us and see, like, hey, you opened your restaurant. Maybe I can lend you this greenhouse of mine. Maybe that's it. Maybe like halfway through the game, I'm assuming. Sure. Let's harvest you. Gotcha. Okay, so I think I got a little strategy here now. If they're running away like that, you might want to shoot like kind of like in front of them. That kind of has like that like, because your arrow has to like shoot him, and you want to shoot in front of him because he's still running, so that once your arrow reaches like that, it will hit him. I think it's that you have to aim in front of him, wherever direction that he is heading. You need to aim your bow right in front of him. That's the strategy. I really like the music of the beach. Very mysterious. And I feel like, why does it sound mysterious? I think it's just very calming too, I guess. Let me just organize this better. And that's it. Oh, obstructed. Yikes. Okay. Let's move this right here then. I'm glad it told me. Actually, can we open? We could. Okay, let's open for a little bit and then we're gonna head to bed. Okay, Sunday, day 14, spring, year 1. Here we go. Hi, Saviami. The decorations are ready. I think this will look really good. You are amazing, Milo. Well, well, it's no big deal. If, so it's not how I've been pronouncing it, for the past couple of gameplays. It's, Sequoia. Lisequoia succeeds. Okay. If the Lisequoia succeeds, it will bring some much needed customers to this town. Now, come pick it up from over here. Let's go. Ooh. Oh wow, that looks good. There, all set. What do you think? That looks beautiful. Thank you. I don't normally do this kind of work, but it's kind of like designing a dress, I suppose. You have to select the right colors and forms to match the body. Lisequoia looks all set now. Look at Boba, he is bursting with excitement. I'm sure you still have some preparations to take care of. When you are ready, come talk to me and I'll let the invited guests know. I mean, I think I'm ready right now. Let's do it. The grand opening will make a big impact. The menu should be as good as possible and have a lot of dishes for guests to try. If it goes well, word will spread quickly. So, are you ready? Oh, that's right. I think I need to go back to the farmer's market and then purchase some goods. But it's still the weekends because it's Sunday, so I don't know if they will be there. Yes, thank you. Let's double check to see if they're there. Actually, I should have just... Hey, get out of here. Maybe check their... Oh, it's 8 a.m. Okay, so they're not here. They will not open. I don't know. Do we have enough? Or ingredients? Oh, maybe I should kind of scavenge a little bit. And then we can open the restaurant. And that's right, we need more chili too. But I'm not so sure if we will have shrimp. Because if the people aren't there on the weekends, then turns out that he's also not going to be there too. I forgot his name. But the one that sells shrimps. Okay, that's actually kind of convenient. I kind of understand what they're doing now when it comes to these things right here. Like whatever you're doing, the activity, it will level you up, as in the skill points. Which is the update, of course. Hello, person. Meat isn't simply a product of nature, but rather a living being that once breathed and roamed the earth. Although taking its life may seem brutal, it provides sustenance and allows us to survive. It's the cycle of life. It's poetry. Yeah, I think I heard her say that before when talking to her. Maybe we could do the grand opening on Monday. I would really like it if I had more desserts and appetizers. Yeah, he's still working here. I'm gonna buy some more flour. Until I can buy my, or make my own flour. I think it's best to just buy it from him. Okay, I could buy more flour here. Let's just buy all that. Oh, it's shift and then buy the whole thing. Oh my gosh. Let me steal. I shouldn't take Mayla's crops without her permission. What? Why not? They're mine. Oh, I can go in. Okay. Hello? If I were younger, I'd still be helping out on the farm. Oh, I can go into people's rooms here, huh? Got anything good for me? Are you using the toilet? I want to use it too. Everything will grow here on the farm. Okay. Let me talk to you. You ever suddenly need a mint? Because I do. Of course. Yes, I love mint. Rainy days are the best days when you're not in the field, let me tell you. I know, waters are crops, and it's very, very atmospheric and cozy. Yes, yes. Okay. I wonder if we can open the restaurant? Oh, we can. Let's open it for a little bit. Let's work a little bit. Just get a little more extra money. Alright, let's close the restaurant right now because it's 10. And everybody's gonna be sleeping any moment right now. Oh my gosh, I hope these people leave again before it hits 2 a.m. Alright, let's hurry to bed. Oh my goodness. Oh god, oh god. Yes. Oh my god. I am always cutting it close. I'm so sorry. I like the skirt. I like the top. Thank you. I will wear them right now. I like that too. But for now, I'm feeling a little girly. At this point, I am just buying everything. Because I'm pretty sure that's what this game is all about, is that you can grow your own ingredients, but some ingredients you can't grow, like dark chocolate. Not so sure about the animal products, like milk, cheese, and all that, but I understand if like you have to talk to some of these people to get certain products, you know? I'll buy that. Ah, it looks so cute. Nice. Anyways, I think I have to talk to him. Or not, he doesn't have anything either. Oh my god. I am not ready for this grand opening, y'all. I did say I was, but I am not. Okay, no, I actually went to buy some of these things. I think that looks good. I think that might be good. Just to kind of fill in some space. You know, give little people some privacy. Okay. I think let me check the menu. Not much I can put on here. I'm limited on ingredients, but I think we're good. Everyone, thank you for coming tonight. I truly hope this service is a delight to you all. My staff and I cannot wait to serve you this evening. It is the hope of La Sequoia will bring people together. With that in mind, let's start making some food, shall we? And I will only serve the best food here, so bon appetit. I just want to try the food. I think I have a different layout in mind too. I think instead of doing it long ways, setting my kitchen long ways, I'll have to put it like in a corner right here. I think everything just needs to flow better, and after I'm done cooking, it's not like a kind of zigzag pattern. Goodbye. Goodbye. We did it, everybody. I think that's good. We got some money. I really enjoyed that dinner, Saviami. It wasn't perfect, but I think the guests were quite satisfied. I look forward to see what La Sequoia will become. Not bad. I think it will be something special one day. That food was pretty good. I might come here after my busy work days to relax. What a crazy night, no matter the result. I'll never forget this day, spent with friends. It will win some National Restaurant Awards one day, I know it. Well, I'll be off then. This has inspired me to work on some new boba tea recipes. Maybe we can exchange recipes one day, huh? Come on, let's go, Boba. Alright, bye-bye, people. Ah yes, gotta talk to my rival. You got this, Savvy Yami. Glad you enjoyed my food. What are you going to do now? Glad you enjoyed my food. The food quality was never a question in my mind. You know, I did see a small place up for rent in Billboard City. Maybe I'll take a leap of faith, just like you. Either way, I have a lot of thinking to do. Oh, you didn't think I'd come without a gift, did you? Try out one of these recipes. Might help you out on your journey. Good luck out there. Okay, I'll pick the middle. Okay, got the grand opening task complete. Looks like scallop baguette. I don't have the ingredients to make that, but I will keep that in mind. Two months earlier. Oh, I can move around? Nope. A letter. It looks like I got mail. This envelope, it must be from the Chef Castillo. I hope he is doing well. I wonder why he is writing. Oh, I can move around. I did not know that. Okay. Oh, I got it. Okay. It's hard to tell. Definitely hard to tell when I need to open things. Savvy Yummy, I hope this letter will help lift your spirits. I understand you have been facing challenges in Chef Canton's kitchen lately. He can be overly strict and does not allow creativity in the kitchen. And I know you always try to experiment and push the boundaries with your cooking. I have a special mission and purpose that I believe will both challenge you and provide you with a second chance to reach your potential. As you may know, my first restaurant, La Sequoia. I am sorry. It is raining so much outside right now, and it made my screen kind of black. I was worried there for a second. Let's try to continue without my internet going out. Okay, where were we? Okay. As you may know, my first restaurant, La Sequoia, located in the seaside town of White Ash Harbor, has been abandoned for the past decade. Due to my current physical limitations, I am unable to personally revive it. I am offering you the opportunity to take on this challenge and bring new life to the once glorious kitchen of La Sequoia. If you accept this challenge, I will gift you the restaurant, in the hopes that you can work with the community of the White Ash Harbor to restore the restaurant to its former glory. Sincerely, Antione Castillo. Thank you. Okay. White Ash Harbor. I heard it's a shabby old town. Maybe. Just maybe. Alright, it's the next day. Not going to lie, I'm kind of worried about my internet going out. Because it is very rainy out of my apartment. But I don't know. I guess I'll keep playing. I'll keep playing. So it is 7. Last time we went to sleep very late. It was 8 a.m. I wonder if like going to sleep very late has to do anything with the time that we also wake up. Oh man. Oh god, okay. Come on, I got this, I got this. Come on. I got him. Yes. Congrats, Saviami. Must feel good getting that done. The grand opening, that is. What is that supposed to mean? I still have nothing. Let's see what this all fishing is all about. Hold on. What do I do? I totally forgot how to fish. Fishing. Okay, face a body of water and hold the mouse button to charge power. The higher power, the further hurt. Okay. Wait for the fish to bite. When it's pulled below water, hit the mouse key to begin reeling the fish in. When hooked, the fish will try to escape. Use the arrow keys. Okay, I need to use the arrow keys. Wait. Was I? Oh. Let me try that again. It says arrow keys. Am I doing something wrong? Let me read that one more time. How am I supposed to... I was using my arrow keys. Am I doing something wrong? I don't know. Okay, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I'm not gonna fish. Oh no, I can't. And why not? Why can't you buy this? Let's just move these. Yeah, I'm just gonna store all these. I kind of need the room to move stuff around. I think that makes sense. Well, I guess we got one more table. Let's put it right here. There. Okay. It doesn't look the best, but at least I can work better in the kitchen. I'm here to just make bank off of them. Ooh, Act 2. Beginnings of a new cuisine. I wonder who this is. The big bad guy? Sir, have you finished your latest review? Oh, is this a critique? The editor at the Tribune has been requesting it. Right, that place. It was a bomb, wasn't it, sir? Tiresome, Alice. Just so very tiresome. If you will wait right there, I'll put my finishing touches on the review. The ambience of a restaurant is just as important as the food it serves. In this department, I found Ranger Remy's to be severely lacking, as its walls were covered in quiche farmhouse sayings lacking any taste for both interior design and the menu itself. I will tell you to instead visit one of the protein cart vendors in town. At least you won't be overcharged, and your experience will be more memorable than anything inside Chef Remy's establishment. Very good, sir. I didn't think that Chef Remy would be able to impress. I do not think his restaurant will survive this review. Of course, classic looking out the window. Have my reviews closed restaurants in the past? Yes. But if I don't sieve out the trash, this city would be choking on slob. But I confess that my work is getting a bit one note. How much more do I have to say about food in this city? Oh, one more thing. I thought you might be interested. It's Vincent Castew's first restaurant, Le Sequoia. Oh gosh. Alright, let's read into this. Oh, well, I mean, not really. I don't really exactly want to read this. But maybe for the sake of everybody, I should. The Savory Sentinel, Le Sequoia reopens. By Chloe Alonso. Day 19, okay. The Sequoia, the first restaurant of legendary chef Vincent Casteau, has officially reopened in the seaside town of White Ash Harbor. The restaurant first opened in the year 2017 when Chef Casteau was just at the tender age of 32. He has went on to open over a dozen successful restaurants across the globe. He closed Le Sequoia in 2038 to focus his attention on his Billboard City establishments, as well as teaching young chefs at the famous Académie Rouge Culinary School. One of these young chefs he taught goes by the name of Saviami. Today, the age-old Le Sequoia has been passed down and reopened by Chef Saviami. Although inexperienced, the chef has trained under Vincent Casteau for many years and has worked as a line work at restaurant Berliner under culinary heavyweight Otto Canton. A completely unknown in the cooking world, it would be easy to write off Le Sequoia as an experiment. Only time will tell if this young chef can bring back this storied restaurant. For those who are uneducated about what it means to eat, yes, you're correct, Alice. Chef Vincent Casteau, one of the best chefs in the world, has allowed an unknown cook to reopen his first restaurant. I'll have to plan a visit to White Ash Harbor and try out Le Sequoia for myself. Aha. He is the, I wouldn't say villain, I would say antagonist in this game. Because pretty sure, I don't want to say like the reviewers, I guess, professional reviewers anyways, are like the chef's enemy. But in a way, kind of, because they're the ones that are putting the business at risk by you know, tasting their food, looking at the decor, you know, and it's like the restaurant's name of line, I guess. Their brand name is on their lifeline here, so they have to impress these critiques, you know. I feel bad. I kind of feel bad, but maybe I don't know. Wish it wasn't like that. Wish people could just enjoy the food, but sometimes the food ain't that good in some restaurants. Okay. Okay. Just kind of checking everywhere. Make sure I'm not missing anything. Let's go here, collect some stuff. It is 10 a.m. right now, so we can go in town, check the locals, and then we can maybe perhaps open our restaurant. Hopefully the farmer's market has the ingredients that I need to make more dishes. I'm gonna buy all your flour. I'll get that too. I don't know. Does he not sell? Salmon. Oh, he sells shrimp. Okay. I saw that La Sequoia is open. It's nice to see hard work pay off, doesn't it? Good job. Thank you. I will need to get some ginger from you. The Sequoia is officially open for business, huh? Oh, darling, that is simply wonderful. I hope it brings you miles of happiness. Thank you. Finally, you have some freaking apples. Oh no, he sells it, okay. I don't know what to do with this seaweed then. I want to sell it. Can I talk to you? I can't sell it to him either. Okay. That's okay. We'll just put all of these ingredients in our fridge. I don't have enough room. No. Guess I'll keep the seaweed. I have so much flour. What? I don't think I need the strawberry because I don't know what I'm making with the strawberry. I think that's fine. Let's just open up. Just for a little bit. Just for a little bit. I got this. 0? Wait. How am I supposed to make this again? Oh man. Oh, am I missing something? I don't know if I'm doing this right. Why am I still getting 0? Hold on. 1 second. But I'll have to close the restaurant. Looks like my people are getting very tired. Thank you for coming. Okay. Okay, whatever. At least I got money out of it. I am okay with that. Nothing about cooking. Okay. Priska was being a big meanie today. I asked her if she wanted to kick a football with me, and she told me to help her collect trash. I don't even like garbage. Now I have to sit in this lame library all day until my dad picks me up. Jesus. This cookbook is too basic. That's what I'm looking for, though. Basic stuff. Nothing about here. Okay. It looks like I just kind of have to just check the library daily to see what they have. So I can read it and then hopefully I can learn some recipes from here. But it looks like I checked everywhere here, so I won't be able to see if there's any new recipes. But I think that's fine. Enter at your own risk. What's this? Oh, okay. Probably somebody that lives here. Okay.